model, 2012 Peugeot Bipper SHDI 75. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 93,667. MOT, the 11th of September 2025. Engine, 1248 ccF13DTE5. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts fine, runs perfect. Turbo oil seals have worn. Straightforward turbo replacement job, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively,